Hi, Melina. How are you doing today?
Good. How are you?
I'm good. Happy Friday. Woot woot. Happy Friday dance. Did you like learning about counting this week?
Yes.
That's good. Since it is Friday, our last day of class for this week, we're going to go ahead and review everything that we learned about counting. Are you ready?
Yep.
All right, the first thing that we're going to do is count to the number 6. Can you help me? Can you count with
Yep.
me? All right, let's start. 1,
One,
2,
two,
3,
three,
4,
four,
5,
five,
6.
six.
All right, good job. Do you think you can count to the number 11 for me?
Mhm.
All right, go ahead.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight,
hmm
10, 11.
Good job, Melina. That was very good counting. All right, you ready for the next thing?
Yep.
Okay, so how can we show the number 5 using our counters and 10 frame?
You could put the red dot in each square 5 times.
In each square 5 times? Let's think about that again. So instead of doing that, maybe we can put one red dot in 5 different squares.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do that instead. So I'm going to go ahead and put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so does that show 5 red dots?
Yep.
All right, let's go ahead and try the next one. So how can we show the number 9 using our 10 frame? Remember, there's 10 spaces, so each square is 1 space.
So you'll put the red dot 1 time in each square 9 times.
All right. All right, can you go ahead and check for me? Does that look like the number 9?
Yep.
Okay. So how can we show the number 15? So we actually have two 10 frames here.
So fill the first chart up,
Okay,
every square with the red dot,
okay.
and then the next chart you'll fill it up with 5 red dots.
All right, let's see. All right, can you do me a favor and count those out loud just to make sure that there's 15 dots there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep.
Good job. All right, ready? So now we're going to go ahead and count each row. So we have row A, row B, and row C. And then together we're going to decide which row has 4 red circles. Ready?
Mhm.
All right, so let's count row A first. Can you count them for me?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good. So row A does have 4 circles, but let's count the other ones just to be sure, okay?
Mhm.
All right, so how many are there in row B?
1, 2, 3.
3. And then how many in row C?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Good. So row A has 4 red circles. What row has the least amount of circles?
Row B.
And then what row has the most?
Row C.
Good job. Okay. Are you ready to do number order?
Yep.
All right, so what set of numbers in the correct order? So for A, we have 1, 3, 5, then 4. For B, we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 11. C, we have 5, 6, 7, 8. And then for D, we have 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. So what set of numbers is in the correct order, Milena? Do you have a guess? C?
Mhm.
All right, let's see. So yes, C is in the correct order. So why are the other ones not correct?
Well, for A, it goes 1, 3, 5, 4, and after 1, it should be 2, not 3.
Mm-hmm. And then what else?
And oh yeah, and
5
at the
and
end
4
it's 4.
should be switched, right?
Yeah.
Good job. And how about for B?
The first 4 are right, but after 9 should be 10 and not 11.
Good. And then how about D?
After 4, it should be 5, not 6.
Good job. Yep, you're right. Okay, so now what set of numbers is not in the correct order? Okay, so we're looking for the one that is wrong. So A is 1, 2, 3, 4. B is 6, 7, 8, 9. C is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And D is 2, 4, 5, 3, 6. Which one is not in the right order?
D.
D. Good job. All right. Are you ready to answer how many?
Yeah.
Okay, so can you tell me how many butterflies there are pictured?
8.
8. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. How about how many pencils are there?
10.
10. All right, let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. That's a hard one. We have to remember when we're counting objects that are kind of spread out all over the place to keep track. And you can do this on paper by marking them or crossing them off or circling as you count. All right, you ready for the last one?
Yep.
All right, I know frogs are your favorite. Ready? So how many frogs are there, Milena?
14.
14? All right, you ready to check?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There's 14 frogs. Good job. So that's the end of our review for this week. I can tell that you've been doing your work out of the Google Classroom, and I'm sure you've been working really hard at home and watching all the videos that I posted. Thank you for working so hard. Enjoy your weekend.
Thank you.
Bye.
You too. Bye.